Tired of your valuable Zoho CRM data being trapped inside? This quick tutorial will show you how to liberate your data, create backups, and unlock its full potential. First, log into your Zoho CRM account. Next, navigate to the Setup menu. You'll find it by clicking on the Settings icon, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Once in Setup, look for Data Administration and then select Export. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can choose which modules you want to export. You can select all modules or specific ones like leads, contacts, or deals. Now, choose your preferred export format. Zoho CRM allows you to export data in CSV or Excel format. Select the one that best suits your needs. For enhanced security, you have the option to password protect your exported file. This is highly recommended, especially if you're handling sensitive information. Finally, click the Export button. Zoho CRM will then prepare your data for download. You'll receive a notification when the export is complete, and a download link will be generated. Click the link to download your exported data. That's it. You've successfully exported your data from Zoho CRM. Now you can use it for backups, offline analysis, or integration with other applications. Don't forget to subscribe for more Zoho CRM tips and tricks.